How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can calibrate the pressure advance in Creality Print. So the first thing that you'll want to do is to head over to your Creality project. And from here, you just want to click on this drop-down menu, navigate through calibration, and then we have the pressure advance. Basically, there's multiple ways to do this. You have your tower, which is going to be more detailed, but in my case, to make things easier, let's just select the PA line. So in here, you can edit out your start PA. I'm going to be starting with 0. We have our end PA, which is going to be 0.1. And then we have our step right here. So let's just click on OK, click on discard since I have my print right here. And then it will look something like this. So basically, to get a result, you just want to click on the slice plate option, and then it will now transfer, or it will now look something like this. Basically, after printing our test, you will then get these numbers. So what you can do is to just look for the smoothest line. In some lines, there are going to be bumps, there's going to be some cutoffs. So your goal is to just look for the smoothest line from start to finish. And then there will be a number beside that line on which we can now use this as our pressure advance. So in our case, let's use this 0.068 as an example. Let's say that this line has the smoothest out of everything. Now, to simply calibrate it, you just want to head over to your materials, which is going to be your filament. From here, click on the pencil icon, which allows us to edit the filament setting. And then if you scroll down, you have the enable pressure advance. You can now enter the smoothest line on this chart right here. So once again, in our case, it's going to be 0.068. From here, just click on save, and then you will be able to calibrate your pressure advance. So that's how easy it is to do this. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.